Deep within the deserts of Arizona lies the legendary Birdcage Theater, a place shrouded in ghostly tales and dark history. Built in 1881 during the Silver Rush, it was once a lively venue for entertainment, but also a site of violence, gunfights, and tragedy. Guests and staff have reported unexplained footsteps, ghostly apparitions, and the eerie sound of piano music with no one playing. Many believe the spirits of former patrons and performers still linger, haunted by their untimely deaths and unresolved pasts. Visitors often claim cold spots, flickering lights, and sightings of shadowy figures that vanish when approached. So, next time you visit an old ghost town, ask yourself, are some spirits truly trapped in their final moments, forever watching us?